Hey guys, welcome to the Twins Take in drawing Eevee. She's this nice little Pokemon that looks like a bunny with a nice cream colored collar of fur around her neck and a nice poof on her tail. If you've ever heard of the 8 evolutions of Eevee, she has 8 evolutions that evolve into different Pokemon, the 8 evolutions. So there's like Fairy, Electric, Fire, Umbreon, Leafian, Glacian. So I think Eevee is my favorite Pokemon personally because she is really cool and she's really fun. So if you watch the other of my drawing videos, I mostly start from the bottom of my subject. I think it makes it easier to draw so you can work your way up to the top. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the feet right here. And she has like 4 feet, so, and she's like a little cat bunny. So I'm going to start like this. And then I'm drawing a leg up to a puffy collar. Now she has, like Pikachu, she has 3 feet, 3 toes on 1 foot. So now I'm going to draw another foot right here. She's kind of like having a nice time on this picture I'm making. So I'm gonna just figure out. Okay, now she has 4 legs. And so you want to draw stuff in the back, but you can't figure out how. Well, you can draw it behind one, like that. So it's going to disappear because it's backwards, and then it's going to come out here with another leg. And then we're going to go over here with another leg. So you can do something called shading, which makes it look farther back. So next thing that you will need to draw on Eevee is a poof of collar around her neck. She's a little short. So she has this so it's just cream colored poof. It goes like that. With some nice, really soft hair. So that just goes around her neck. And then her head comes up. Okay. So we drawed her fur. Now we're gonna draw her head. So it's like Pikachu. A circle-shaped head with big bunny ears. So what you do, you're going to start from the chin and go from the bottom. Okay, now it goes up and then the ear starts. Just like that. It's kind of like an overstretched diamond. Okay, so we did that. There's always a little clump of fear starting right below the first ear. I mean below any actually. So now let's start on this side so that we can draw her second ear. So don't ever mess up on this poofy part. Or you'll have to try again. It's so great. So never mess up on it. It's so great. And if you do, okay. So let's start on this ear, which is gonna go kind of curious. So it goes up like that, and then kind of goes over the head more like that. Inside. Okay, now she has a little clump of fur, kind of like a nice haircut. Just like that. Now she has big eyes, kind of like Pikachu, and they're a deep black with lots of curious and happiness in them. I haven't seen a picture where Eevee is sad, except she's kind of like nervous and confused, but she's never sad. So just draw big eyes like this. And then instead of like a triangle nose like Pikachu, she has a little nose that's kind of like an oval like that. And then she has like a dog's mouth like that. And then she has she always has these little eyebrows. Oh, look at this. Okay, as I said, she has a nice poofy tail. Comes up behind her. So let's draw her eyes. Coloring them black. So sometimes you would like to add some highlights in their eyes to show what they're reflecting on. So I'm gonna add that part just a little bit orange, a light color. So light color is you're barely pushing on the paper while you're drawing. Add just a bit of reflection in her eyes. So her body is brown and cream. So if you don't have a nice cream color, then you can get brown and draw really light like this. It's a really light color, and then you can get a little bit of yellow, and then you can draw on it again. And then you can just do that until it's a nice cream color, just like you want. Okay, so then this part is the same cream color. The inside of her ears are a dark brown, so that we'll draw that. So she's a normal type Pokemon, but when she gets evolutioned, then she has powers. You just need a special type of stone. So let's draw the inside of your ears. So draw the bottom a dark brown, the top a dark brown, and then just kind of stroke it. Okay, now then make it smooth, then make it a little lighter in the middle. It shows off the reflection of the sun, making it so it looks like a really, really pretty color. And add some orange in there. Okay, so now do that to the other ear. Just like that. Okay, now her body is an even lighter brown. So you want to do that, you want to take your brown and then do it drier, and then do it dry brushing, but just a little bit harder. Okay, so she's really light skinned. So what you want to do, you might want to take your orange again and then go over that with light brushing again one more time with the orange. And there you've got your Eevee. E-E-V-E-E. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like to the Twins Take, and comment below if you want anything for me to draw anything else. Gotta catch 'em all. Bye.